Hello and welcome to a new topic, forming past simple tense with the help of the verb to work. In this lesson, we will talk about affirmative form of past simple tense, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with question words. Let's see. The first sentence is he worked in the affirmative form. Its negative form is he did not work. Did he work? Why did he work? We have the next sentence. She worked. She did not work. Did she work? Where did she work? We continue. It worked. It did not work. Did it work? How did it work? Now with singular noun. Tom worked. Tom did not work. Did Tom work? When did Tom work? I worked. I did not work. Did I work? Why did I work? We continue our discussion. We worked. We did not work. Did we work? Where did we work? They worked. They did not work. Did they work? When did they work? You worked. You did not work. Did you work? How did you work? Men worked. Men did not work. Did men work? How did men work? What we notice in this particular tense is that whether your subject is singular, like he, she, it, and singular noun, or whether you have plural subjects, we always use in the affirmative form, second form of the verb. And in the negative, interrogative, and question words, we use did. These are the total number of structures we can form in the past simple tense with the help of the word work. You can replace this word with any other verb of your choice and can make as many sentences as you like. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.